The stories say that somewhere here, in this very building, is where Megatronus Prime murdered his lover, Solus Prime. And that on that tragic night, the energies were so charged that something unnatural took a hold of this place.
No one actually believes those stories, you know?
Then why has no one ever gone in and come back out? Huh?
Ugh, this is a waste of time. I should have listened to Croc and stayed home.
Croc stayed home because he knows what's here. Although I did expect more from him. Heck, even Red came.
What does that mean? I knew! This was a waste of time!
That was a bit of a low blow even for you, Triggs.
Yeah, well, I'm out too. I gotta get a few dozen rounds down me and at McAdams before it closes for the night.
You drink any more of that stuff, and you'll get fat.
I won't get fat.
Good job you didn't bring Swindle here, or he'd have already made bets.
Seriously, Triggs, I don't get why you're friends with that guy. He's literally black market trade. You know that.
Swindle's not so bad once you get to know him.
We've only got each other. The way Megatron's taking his political campaign to reform Cybertron's government and its PDs, it's all gonna be changing around here pretty soon. I still can't believe you went and got yourself branded.
I didn't really have a choice in the matter.
You know, you still never told us, Megatron. What did he do to you?
It doesn't matter.
Is that what he tells you to say?
Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
See ya, pal.
Take care.
I keep hearing stuff on the news about how Megatron's gonna start something up that's gonna divide us all.
Yeah, well, other than the police department, so it's gotta stay neutral, everyone's starting to take sides now. Orion's redemptions or Megatron's revolutions. Who knows how much longer we'll all even be together as friends.
Don't think that. Too much negative energy on the planet right now. I'm sure that we'll all be friends till the end of time. I'm always here for you if you need to talk.
I know.
Well, I'll see you later, Triggs. Good night.
Too much negative energy. Too much negative energy on the planet right now. Guys, that's it! That fateful night for Solus, there was too much negative energy. What's happening right now in the planet, globally, there's so much negative energy building up. Perhaps we can rekindle that spirit that's inside and wake it up.
You're an idiot.
And how do you propose we do that?
With one of these.
Sounds stupid. I'm in.
Hey, Reds. Sorry about what I said earlier. Do you want to overcome your fears? Well, here's how. That's what true friends are for.
So, how's this spirit board work again?
Well, you just put your hands in the middle and ask it questions. They say whoever asks the question gets the answer inside their central module. Whatever the scrap that means.
You have no idea how this thing works, do you?
Of course I do.
You're an idiot. I hope you know that.
Primus, Chromia, have a little faith in me, will ya? Everyone, put your hands in. Nice one, Bones. And you, Tremor. Welcome, Hound. Ladies.
I'll do it if you do it.
Alright, fine, but this is so stupid.
Red! Hey! Cybertron to Red! Come in, Red! Are you in there? Come on, buddy. Trust me, will ya? Yeah, that's it. Put your hand on the board. Yeah, that's it. Just like that. You're doing good, buddy. We're asking any spirit who is crossed over, or anyone who is in here, to please come and make yourselves known. We accept my unicorn's backside.
Sorry. That's my stomach.
Yeah, fat ass.
Hey! Score! Whoever was in here last left this crate of Energex here. And it's still sealed. Oh yeah!
You over-energize yourself again. Me and Bones are not walking you home this time.
Guys, come on. We all know the stories.
That's refreshing.
The 13 walked on this ground, which either makes it holy or, well, demonic. So, whoever is here, if there is someone here right now, come forward, please, and make yourself known.
What now?
We wait and see, I guess.
Sir?
Cadet?
Officer Prowl, sir!
Strongarm, how'd you find your first day yesterday?
Other than Whirl? Great!
Glad to hear it, Strongarm. We'll see how you handle tonight's night shift. Hopefully you manage to keep your optics open throughout the shift.
Well, this is Radio Dispatch Steve, Happy.
Go ahead.
Got a member of the public reporting that they've seen bats in the early thousands breaking and entering inside the old Iacon factory.
Damn it.
Approximately 6 or 7 bats.
Copy that, Control. Assign me and Strongarm to it.
Hope you're not trying to replace me already, partner. Assign me to that job too, Control. Better to have backup.
Received.
Much appreciated, Barricade. Let's roll.
Is there any spirit wishing to communicate with us?
I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting nothing through my central processor.
This is a waste of time.
Ugh, I'm off.
Wait! I got something else. It didn't feel complete coming to a site where the 13 one started with just a spirit board. I brought these, some goggles. Legends say that Alchemist Prime possessed an artifact called the lenses, which allowed him to see other worlds, the future, and the dead. I got these from,
Let me guess. Swindle?
Anyway, if one of us tries these, maybe we can... Don't break it, you
Me
drunk whore.
first!
No.
How do you work?
You gotta click that button. No, the one where your finger is, you big oaf. Anyway, those glasses have infrared, ultraviolet, and many other spectrum that we can't actually see with our visible optic. So, just keep flicking between them and...
Has the world always been this beautiful? Listen, man, listen. Listen, right? Listen. And just listen now. Listen,
What?
you made me forget what I was saying! Man, Tremory! You gotta see what I see on this filter! Wait, blake,
Okay, that's it. No more NJX for you tonight.
How strong was that stuff he drank?
Strong enough to over-energize him in one bottle.
What the frag was that?
Stay cool, Reds.
See? Nothing to worry about. Don't.
What the frag did you just see?
Hound?
What?
Hound!
Check CCTV regarding this break-in in progress. One suspect confirmed as Triggerhappy.
Scrap. Thanks, Control. Heads up, Strongarm. Triggerhappy can be violent upon arrest.
Great.
You're in charge of the situation. Remember that. Don't let that sly bootleg try to throw you off.
Siren's off now. We don't want them to know we're coming.
It won't open!
Alright, fembots, move aside. Nice trick, Hound. We all know that you just fell down because you're too drunk to even stand up, so stop bull scrapping us. You can come out now. Hound. Guys, this is real.
Scrap this.
Everybody out! Now! Now, Triggs!
Primus, help us!
What the frag?
This is not
What the
happening.
frag?
This is not happening. This is not happening.
We gotta call the cops.
No way! Are you crazy, Ariel? I don't care if your boyfriend is an ex-police officer or not. I don't give a scrap! If the police show up, they'll just...
Will what, Triggerhappy? You're all coming with me. I've told you before, trespassing is an offense. Ariel, Orion is not going to be happy when he finds out you've been hanging around Triggerhappy again.
Orion can suck my...
Officer, listen, you gotta believe me. There's a demon in there.
Control, we have 5 bots here who are gonna escort out of...
Sir? Control told us originally there were 6 or 7 of them.
She's right.
They got dragged away. Hound, Bones, both gone.
Please help us. We're begging you. Whatever's inside is strong. Bones is a big bot, and it pulled him, Chromia, and Tremor together and threw us all around.
Lying to an officer in the execution of his duty. Second offense for you right there. Just know you'll be getting a ticket through your door.
Sir?
Who did you say was in there again?
Guys, it's all just an illusion. We're here to rekindle our sparks with Unicron. I'm his, and his alone. I am. What is this madness of a life? All I ever wanted was peace. Is that too much to ask?
Kid.
Here, I can find it. Here, I'm loved, cherished, enlightened.
Give back, Red.
But here, I'll see. You'll all see.
Barricade to control, requesting backup immediately. Calm down.
Barricade. Watch these. Strongarm, you're with me.
Please! Officer, please don't go in there.
Inside there ain't good. Strongarm, watch these young bots. Barricade, with me.
Sir, you can't go back in there!
We'll be back, Strongarm.
This is all your fault.
Hey, back off!
You hadn't made us
Given
mess
the
around with that
situation, I don't want to have to arrest you right now, but
None
that
of this
doesn't
would've
mean I
happened.
won't remand you later for that assault.
I didn't know any of this would happen.
So, what do you think we're gonna find in here, partner?
I'm not sure, but whatever we find, we will... What the heck were these kids doing playing a game board in an abandoned place like this?
That's not a game board. It's a glyph board. I guess it was just the wind. Hey, partner? Ah! What the frag was that for? Oh, scrap.
You almost got us all killed!
You're supposed to blame me.
You're the one who had this stupid idea.
No,
Hey, guys, come on.
Trigger's fault. It's always my
Hey,
fault. It's
stop.
always my fault. Oh, it's Trigger's fault. Oh, it's
Triggs.
my fault.
Triggs' fault.
Then why didn't you come and take another step with me, huh? I'm ready for this now. Come on, Tremor. Come on and hit me.
Fine.
Go. Oh, you're so dead
Get
now.
back! Now!
Such a degenerate, you know that?
Then get out of my life.
Taser warning. Get back!
Oh, Tremor.
Man, I'm so sorry. What
No, don't!
What do we do?
Don't you think you've done enough? Stay right where you are! Don't move! Turn around! I said turn around
Hey,
now!
come on!
Give me your hand! Give me your hand! Stop resisting! Move! I said move!
Oh.
Get back! Go! Move! Give me your hands! Now I said! I'm arresting you for assaulting a police officer, resisting arrest, assault, and on suspicion for several counts of manslaughter. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defense. If you do not mention when questioned something which you may later rely on in a Cybertronian court of law, anything you do say may be used as evidence. Reasons for your arrest is to prevent injury, prevent your disappearance, and for the purpose of investigation. 4 civilians and 5 officers. No time to wait and see if anyone else is coming. Solus, help me. I'm going inside. Any of you disappear, you'll all be wanted and remanded in court. Especially you.
What for?
I'm not repeating myself for you again. If you decide to try and break yourself free from those pipes and escape, you're a wanted criminal.
For Frank's sake.
My chief told me shots have been reported here. I came as quick as I could after I heard police had backup sent.
No, you can't go in there.
She's right. There's something evil inside.
There are potential casualties in there. I won't abandon them. Don't worry, I'll be back.
Save your energy on, ladies. No one's gonna believe us.
No. Please, Solus, no. I'm so sorry.
No. You don't apologize, officer. I'm sorry. I don't remember.
Medic here! What in Primus' Spark is going on?
He came and he pinned me, and I'm trying to find the others.
Save it. I haven't seen you around here before, but you go do your job and I'll handle mine.
Sorry.
Hey, you're gonna be okay. I'm here to help you, buddy. I'm introducing stasis for you now. You won't feel any pain.
goodness' sake, are you alright?
Strongarm?
Sir.
What happened?
You're just lucky the police don't have a charge for paranormal activity.
None of us would be here if you two weren't there. It's
okay. It's okay.
It was just a guess with that glyph board. If that hadn't have worked, we...
Thank you.
Hey, do you see that?
Oh my god.
I don't believe it!
I don't see anything.
Thank you, Mistress. May your spark rest in peace now.
And I hereby honor your contributions to the service with this ceremony of the police oath. Cadet Strongarm, you are about to become a fully independent police officer. May you wear the badge with pride. Repeat after me. I, Strongarm, of the Iacon Police Department, do solemnly and sincerely declare and affirm
I, Strongarm of the Iacon Police Department, do solemnly and sincerely declare and affirm
that I will uphold the laws of Cybertron,
that I will uphold the laws of Cybertron,
upholding and preserving the peace and the fundamental rights of the people of Cybertron, serving and protecting them with my life.
Upholding and preserving the peace and the fundamental rights of the people of Cybertron, serving and protecting them with my life.
And that I will discharge all duties faithfully, according to law.
And that I will discharge all duties faithfully, according to law.
Strongarm, I hereby pronounce you a police officer. My new colleague, my new friend. Welcome, Officer Strongarm.
Yeah! Nice one, Strongarm.
You did it. You're here. Look at you. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you! I'm happy to be here. I look forward to serving alongside you all more freely.
The recent events that have transpired have left me with no other choice other than to say what I am about to say. It is with a heavy spark that I announce this, but for the good of this planet, and for the good of its people, I declare war on the Autobots!
supplies. Someone needs my medical assistance.
Hey, it's dangerous to go alone right now. I'll escort you.
I got you guys covered. Go, go, go! Guys, relay that order! We need you back here! Now! We gotta form Defensor!
Copy that. Come on, First Aid. We gotta...
Autobots, advance!